Signal 12. US 1, roll palm, stand by for the 28. It's going to be on a white 4-door. She's on back, copy, low Florida 28.
Dispatch received.
Kilo Hotel Bravo Victor 77 KHB V77 on a white Chevy.
Dispatch has been updated.
Hey, I'm Deputy Lieutenant Flagler County Sheriff's Office. You know why I'm stopping you?
Yeah, I know.
Dude, yeah, you went past me. You went past me and then started going. So, just gotta slow it down, man. All right?
Yeah, I know.
Let me just go and see your license, registration, and insurance real quick.
Hold on, give me a minute.
Yeah, no, you're good.
This is actually my baby mother's car.
Okay, not a problem. Any concealed carries in the car, anything like that?
No, sir.
All right.
I'm actually like in the rush to go somewhere. My bad.
No, listen, man. I got you. Just gotta get there safely, okay?
No, I got it. It was a call. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
You're good.
You have your medical marijuana card?
Sir?
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Do I have one?
No?
No.
Okay. Any crack, cocaine, hemp, LSD, marijuana?
Yeah.
Hello?
Do you have your license on you? I can get that real quick.
I can give you my name.
You don't have your license with you?
No, sir.
Alright.
Hello?
What?
Hey.
Quiet, I can't hear you.
What's your first name, man?
Andrew. Bay.
A-N-D-R-E-W?
Yes, sir.
What's your middle initial?
J.
And what's your last name?
Jones.
J-O-N-E-S?
Yes.
What's your birthday?
Isn't this it? 12/02/2000.
12/02/2000?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Again, do you have any crack, cocaine, hemp, LSD, marijuana, anything like that in the car? No, when's the last time you smoked in the car or anybody smoked in the car?
My baby mama, she has a milk
Okay.
She smoked it. I don't even know.
Okay.
I just dropped off the friends.
Okay, alright, just hang tight for me, okay? Just keep looking for the insurance and registration.
Our caller is the landlord. Issues with the tenants on the other side. Was a hang up on call back. The female answered and then quickly hung up.
Dispatch has been updated.
Ivor! Yeah! Get up! Face away from us! Keep your hands up! Hands up! Alright. Raise your shirt up! Higher! Spin around! Spin around. Stop! Alright. Slowly walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Do not move. Keep walking. Keep your hands up, man, alright? Alright, man, just comply and you won't get hurt. Come on.
You okay, Bo? Yeah, let's take driver's side. Take down.
Okay. Is there anyone inside? Actually, it should be on my passenger seat. Did we get a DV from him?
Got it?
Hey, you saw the car, right?
Yeah, it was only one liked it at the time.
Shield up. Are you ready? Control in the driver.
It's from the 11 here, 5.